Dear riders, MTechnics is delighted to introduce the most awaited belt drive transmission system for one of the engineering marvel from Royal Enfield called Super Meteor 650. The cruiser segment motorcycles are meant to glide, not to rattle or demand maintenance. But that was not the experience from the users. Hence, the users started demanding to MTechnics to give a solution. In order to understand the rider's requirement completely, our research and development team rode this bike through different terrains and bullet pointed the insights what they found. Our research and development team was continuously in contact with the riders group and completed the list of insights what they have found. And the whole team meticulously drafted a beautiful design and came up with the product set, which is sent to the lab to do Dino Test. And you can see the result was definitely going to amaze you. It is giving us an amazing result, which shows extra power, extra torque, and everything what riders demanded for. So let's hear it from the experts regarding the Dino Test results.
So now let's see what the Super Meteor has done. Yeah, so in this you can see like the Super Meteor again they claim 44 to the crank. So even though this is in stock condition, it's doing around 40.7 and 46.3 Nm of torque. And when it comes to the belt drive, it's doing exactly 2 horsepower more. But this you can see it's from the word go.
We can even say 3 horsepower is almost 2.7.
Yes.
It's almost 3 horsepower more.
Yeah. Right from the start 2000 you have the gains. Throughout it is.
So Super Meteor has got a super result of this
Yes.
belt.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even though it's beefy, it gives more horsepower.
So that's the message for all the riders out here. I hope your questions are answered properly with the help of a veteran here. Acknowledging the requirement for this beast, we have carefully selected the components. The belt we use from Gates Polychain GT carbon belt, which is having a higher load bearing capacity and carrying the width of 23 mm. When it comes to the pulleys, we are using specially treated metal alloys, which is going to last with you forever. Don't worry about that. So dear riders, your waiting period is over. MTechnics is ready with a state-of-the-art belt drive transmission system for your favorite Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650, because the MTechnics team wanted you to ride beyond the ordinary.